Hello everyone. We are the proud parents of Sharad Ram Narayanan, who is being honored with Fellowship of Actuaries today. He was always studious and he still continues to be studious. He is interested in maths, and when we asked him when he was studying in 4th standard what he will become in future, he used to promptly reply that he wants to become an engineer. He became an engineer, and later when he did MBA in finance and joined Birla Asset Management Company in Bombay.
At that time he was working in the investment field, and he wanted to utilize his spare time, and he joined a course of FRM, and he became a fellow in risk management. But even after that, he wanted to continue his studies, and he joined a course of actuaries. At that time, in fact, when he told us that he is going to do a course in actuary, we were not actually aware as to what this course is, but we knew his selection cannot be wrong. So he encouraged him to continue the studies, and now we sit here as a proud parents of a qualified actuary. We hope that he will be able to contribute a lot in the field of actuary, and we wish him all success in future.
Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Purna, the proud wife of Sharad. We are married since 5 years. He started the course when we got engaged, and all through these 5 years he was busy with the course. As I was also busy with my post-graduation, we didn't have much to complain. There were disappointments when he couldn't clear few papers, but he cheerfully endured those failures. Even the arrival of our two kids, Anant and Abdul, didn't affect his progress. The moment when he got qualified for the actuary is one of the happiest moments in our life, and I thank the Almighty for bestowing us with all the good fortunes. Thank you.
My name is Anand. And
Appa chale. Appa chale. Machika bat panne. Machika bat. Good.
I am happy that my son Ritabrutu has now become a fellow of Institute of Actuaries of India. It is a great moment of joy and pride for us. I know very few people are aware of this profession, and those who are, they only know how much perseverance and determination it requires for someone to complete this course. In my own professional career as a secretary of one of the largest multinational companies, I had occasions to deal with actuaries, and that's the time I realized how great this profession was. I boast that I was successful in identifying correctly Ritabrutu's potentials, particularly because of his flair for mathematics and perfection. I encouraged him to take up this profession, and he has successfully completed it, and he has really made me, my wife, my family proud of him.
I'm Shreyoshi Sarkar, Ritabrutu's wife. It was about 1.5 weeks back that we found out that Rito's cleared the final paper leading up to the fellowship. Well, the skeptic that Rito is, he did not believe that he was going to clear this paper. In fact, the night before the results came out, he was studying for the same paper, thinking that he'd have to reappear for it in the next session. So it was only after the congratulatory messages started pouring in that it hit him that he's qualified as an actuary, he's made it to the finishing line. Well, it's going to take a while for the feeling to sink in. We're relieved, to say the least. And anyone who's been in the profession knows how much of hard work and perseverance it takes. I am extremely proud of his achievements, and I know that he's going to go from strength to strength. And I'm also very happy that we can finally take vacations in the month of May and November.
हम अपनी बच्ची योगिता अरोड़ा की लगन से, मेहनत से, स्कूल टाइम से लेकर कॉलेज तक जाने में, सफलता प्राप्त करने में, एक्चुअली बनने में अति पसंद है। हमारा छोटी सी तहसील है और तहसील से जाकर के पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी से शिक्षा ग्रहण करी। हम भविष्य में भी भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि हमेशा इसके ऊपर कृपा बनाए रखें।
पूरी मेहनत से ही इधर उधर ना ध्यान देते हुए अपनी पढ़ाई को इसने पूरा किया, अपना लक्ष्य प्राप्त किया है। और हमारी तो प्रभु से यही प्रार्थना है कि वो आगे भी इसको जिंदगी में यूं ही ये तरक्की करती रहे और अपने दोनों परिवारों की नाम रोशन करती रहे।
और बचपन से उसके अंदर ये विशेषता रही है कि जो भी उसने लक्ष्य साधा उस तक वो पूर्ण रूप से पहुंची। और ये नहीं कि केवल पढ़ाई में ही, हर क्षेत्र में उसने नाम कमाया। कल्चर एक्टिविटी हो, स्पोर्ट्स हो, किसी भी हो। हमने एक बार उन्होंने सुषमा स्वराज से भी अवार्ड प्राप्त किया है।
So we have been together for almost 15 years now.
I remember when she used to fail, which was very rare by the way, she would ensure that she downloads the question papers and she would rewrite the exam at home and then compare with the examiner's report and then see where she lagged. And then next time she would work even harder to ensure that she should pass. I don't remember any instance when she didn't pass in the second occasion. Now when she became a fellow, I was in UK and the same day both Kirti and me, both of us failed whatever exams we gave. Okay, we were both very happy. I was very, very happy. I was over the moon that she's qualified. I was telling everyone, and she was upset because we failed. That's the kind of person she is.
So congratulations, Motu. It has been a nice journey and really great that you have cleared all your exams and you have become a fellow.
I mean that she's passed all the exams, I screamed out loud. I mean, it was such a wow moment and I'm really proud of her.
I am very happy. मैंने ये जब सुना कि 200 लोग इंडिया में आए हैं तो उनमें से इनका भी एक नाम आया है तो मैं बहुत खुश हुआ। मैंने इनको आशीर्वाद दिया और आगे आप पढ़े। बहू भी हमारी फेलो में आई, मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई। मनोज का जन्म लखनऊ में हुआ। हम लोग एक बहुत गरीब घर के लड़के और हमारी सी शॉप थी घड़ियों की, अभी है, और वहीं से हमने जो भी मेहनत करके इनको पढ़ाया लिखाया और हाई स्कूल इंटर फर्स्ट डिवीज़न किया, बीएससी फर्स्ट डिवीज़न किया। वहीं पे इन्होंने फर्स्ट सर्विस मोदी पेज में किया, उसके बाद सहारा में, बजाज में, वहीं से मनोज ने तरक्की की और आगे बढ़े। हाँ, थोड़े बहुत शरारती थे। इनकी हॉबी थी शतरंज, और शतरंज का इनका बड़ा शौक़ था। शतरंज में ये सबको हरा देते थे। बहू भी अच्छी जगह तरक्की करे, मेरी यही आशीर्वाद है, भगवान उनको अच्छा रखे। इनकी अच्छी जगह भगवान ने मैरिज हुई इनकी और अपनी पसंद से किया इन्होंने, मुझे बहुत खुशी है। अपना माँ बाप की भी सेवा करते हैं और घर का भी ख्याल रखते हैं। मेरा हर कहने से पहले ही वो पूरा कर देते हैं।
आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। हमारे बहू ने हमारा मान ऊंचा कर दिया, हमको इतने ऊंचे मुकाम पर पहुँचा दिया। भगवान को हमेशा खुश रखे। वो अपने आप ही जाके एग्ज़ाम दे के आया, इंटरव्यू दे के आया, अपने आप ही जाके, हमको कुछ कहना नहीं पड़ा, अपने आप से इसने अपना एम चुना।
आज उनकी शादी की सालगिरह है। आज मुझे ये खुशी है कि इनकी सालगिरह पे वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है।
सपना पढ़ाई में बचपन से ही बहुत तेज थी। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ इसको पेंटिंग का बहुत शौक था। कॉलेज में लगातार इसने 3 साल टॉप किया। उसके बाद जब कॉलेज वालों ने हमें बुलाया तो हम वहाँ पे ये अवार्ड लेने स्टेज पे पहुंची तो हमें बहुत गर्व महसूस हुआ और हम चाहते हैं कि जिंदगी में ये और तरक्की करे।
नमस्ते। सपना पढ़ने में शुरू से बहुत होशियार थी। डांस क्लास का बहुत शौक था। 12वीं क्लास में इसके अच्छे नंबर आए, स्कूल में इसने टॉप किया। मैथ्स में इसके 96% नंबर थे। उसके बाद इसने बीए हिंदू वाले से मैथ्स ऑनर्स लिया 3 सालों में तीनों साल इसने टॉप किया। उसके बाद इसने एमए में एडमिशन लिया। साथ साथ इसने एक्चुअली का इसको पता चला, इसने मेंबरशिप ली। एमए में इसने सेकेंड ईयर में जॉब के लिए इंटरव्यू देना शुरू किया। सेकेंड ईयर में इसको बॉम्बे से आईसीआई प्रोडेंशियल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस से कॉल आई। उसके बाद 2 साल वहाँ जॉब करने के बाद ये दिल्ली वापस गुड़गांव में अवयव इसको ज्वाइन किया। आज वो एक फेलो बन चुकी है।
When I thought of actuaries, it was like terminators to me. But now, my wife is a fully qualified actuary. But she's not a terminator. The day we got the result, she passed her last exam. It was like a great day in our life. After marriage, we studied together for one exam because she was left with only one exam, which was CA3. But CA3 is more about the communication. So we used to give each other presentations, and it was really a fun time for us. An actuarial exam of such kind actually brought us closer.
She's always been an inspirational figure, not just for me. She's always been an inspiration for my family and for her friends also. She's always been very focused about her studies. She know what she wanted to achieve, and she's very determined about it. She's sincere, intelligent, and hardworking. She's a perfect package of everything.
Neha, I know you didn't want me to do this, but this was once in a lifetime opportunity, so I could not miss it. I think the feeling that came to my mind was great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things brought together. And that is the feeling we had. It was a series of small little things, every paper that she passed. And it all got together, and greatness was achieved at that point. You really wanted to become an actor. I know there were times when you felt disappointed, really, really disappointed. But together we were expecting the best, prepared for the worst, and hoping for a surprise. And today, all of us, your friends, your family, your colleagues, some of whom have traveled long distances to be here, we all congratulate you and wish you all the success as you enter a new phase of your life. I'm sure you'll miss all those study days that you used to get. You never know what you've got until it's lost.
मैं बेटी के बारे में, जहाँ तक नीलम का प्रश्न है, मैं अपने सभी संतानों की शिक्षा के संदर्भ में बहुत ही गौरवान्वित हूँ, और विशेष रूप से बेटी को हमने उतने संसाधन नहीं प्रदान किए जितना लड़कों को किया। उस परिप्रेक्ष्य में इस बेटी ने बच्चों की अपेक्षा, इसने हमारा नाम अखबार में छपवाने में, जब माध्यमिक शिक्षा में इंटरमीडिएट में मेरिट सूची में आई, तो मुझे बहुत ही उस समय उस पल गौरव की अनुभूति हुई। उसका लक्ष्य क्या होगा उसके प्रति मैं भी आश्वस्त नहीं था कि क्या बनना चाहती है, लेकिन अखबारों की सुर्खियों में जब उसका साक्षात्कार छपा तो लगा कि ये प्रशासनिक सेवा में जाना चाहती है। शुरू से इसका दृष्टिकोण परिवार के प्रति, शिक्षा के प्रति, समाज के प्रति, अपनी जिम्मेदारी के प्रति इतनी गंभीर स्वभाव और सौम्यता थी कि वह अन्य बच्चों से अलग ही दिखाई पड़ती थी। अखबारों के ही माध्यम से इसने एक्चुरियल के संदर्भ में जब जाने का प्रयास किया और फॉर्म भरा, तो मुझे तब तक एक्चुअली के बारे में इसके शाब्दिक अर्थ की भी जानकारी नहीं थी। लेकिन जब पता लगा कि यह एक बहुत ही विशेष शाखा है अपनी प्रतिभा को दिखाने का, इसकी हॉबीज के संदर्भ में निरंतर पढ़ते रहना, लगातार पढ़ना और झपकी ले लेना, फिर पढ़ते रहना, यहाँ तक कि रात में 1-1 बजे तक इसको पता लगा इसकी लाइट जल रही है, और इस संदर्भ में उसको कई बार टोका भी जाता था, लेकिन उसका यह प्रवाह रुकता नहीं था। निरंतर अपने इस पायदान को पाने में उसकी प्रतिभा, उसकी लगन, उसके परिवार का सहयोग, हमारे परिवार का सहयोग, सब कुछ उसमें उसको अनुकूलन प्रदान किए। मैं अपने सारे बच्चों
जिसमें हमारे दामाद भी शामिल हैं, सबका इसमें योगदान है। उसके लिए हम बहुत ही ईश्वर के प्रति समर्पित भाव से आराधना करते हैं कि सभी बच्चों को ये दिशा इसी तरह से मिले।
ये बहुत आज्ञाकारी, बहुत गंभीर है, बहुत मेहनती है। सब लोग इसको आशीर्वाद दीजिएगा, हमेशा फूले फले, यही हमारा आशीर्वाद।
The moment I heard the news of Neelam qualifying for fellow, I thanked the Almighty for rewarding her perseverance. I was extremely happy that ultimately her effort is rewarded. Since we got married, she didn't have time to study properly, and moreover, she was engrossed with family activities. But as the time passed, she realized that yes, she has to study, and she started her career with full energy. And the result is in front of me and my family and everybody. That ultimately, if you strive for something, you get the efforts get rewarded. The best part of Neelam, which I like most, is, or you can say which I admire most, is, and which I want to imbibe in me, is that even if she is made to sit at crossroads, she can study with full concentration. Nobody can disturb her. Her ears are shut to the outside world, even if she is surrounded by a group of people. And this is the best part which I admire. And I thank God for rewarding her, for giving her success in all walks of life. And I pray to God, please help us in all walks of life.
जतिन बचपन से ही पढ़ने लिखने में काफ़ी होशियार था। इसको पढ़ने के साथ साथ खेलना, अच्छा अच्छा खाना और घूमना बहुत पसंद था। बहुत ज़्यादा शैतान नहीं था। हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत शैतानियाँ तो सारे बच्चे करते ही हैं। हमारा सदर बाज़ार में होलसेल का बिजनेस था। छुट्टियों में जब इसके दादाजी इसको शॉप पर ले जाते थे, तो ये तभी कहता था कि मैं बड़ा होकर शॉप पर नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं जॉब करूंगा। जतिन को पढ़ने लिखने में हमारी फैमिली में से किसी ने उसकी हेल्प नहीं करी। वो आज अपनी मेहनत से ही यहाँ पर पहुँचा है। हमारी फैमिली में जतिन ही सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ लिख गया है। इसको आज यहाँ देखकर मैं कितनी खुश हूँ, मैं बता नहीं सकती। इसके जैसा होनहार बेटा भगवान सबको दे। आज इसको यहाँ देखने के लिए इसके पापा नहीं हैं।
I remember the day when Jatin had come home after giving his last actuarial exam. He was very disappointed. His exam hadn't gone really well. He said that he didn't have any hopes of clearing the exams. At that point of time, both Jatin and me, we mutually agreed that Jatin should take a break from studies for at least 6 months so that he can get refreshed. But thankfully that was not going to be the case. On the day when the result had to be announced, we checked the website. On finding Jatin's name in the passed list, we were so extremely happy, and in fact we were very surprised also. But we were really happy and relieved that the studies were finally over and Jatin's hard work had really paid off. I cannot tell you how relieved I am, because I had seen Jatin going frustrated when he couldn't pass his exams and he had to study again and again. He was losing his focus and motivation. But thankfully everything has gone well, and I wish Jatin all the best in life.
When she told that she had cleared all the exams and had become a fellow, I was very happy for her and I went and hugged her. Then I was also happy that we need not look at the exam dates when we plan our vacation in summer. An actuary is a person who evaluates risks and pensions, and actuarial science is a subject which involves lots of statistics and maths.
Her father and her uncle inspired to become an actuary, and as in her childhood she was very studious, and her hobbies were painting, drawing and painting, and sometimes dramatics.
When she came and told that she has cleared all the papers, we were very happy and excited. In the last 9 years, I have been away from out of Bangalore, and she has looked after our son and also my aged mother and her mother while working full time. This has been a great challenge for her to look after the house and also continue with her studies. And especially the last exam which she has written to clear the fellowship papers, she was advised bed rest and she was lying down on the cot and studying for the exams, which is very remarkable. Whenever she got an FA, she felt very disappointed because it was just a matter of few more marks. I guess it was more disappointing than getting an FC.
நான் ஜெயராமனுடைய தந்தை ராமச்சந்திரன். எனக்கு 9 குழந்தைகள். ஜெயராமன் கடைசி பையன். நான் ரிட்டையர் ஆகும்போது அவன் +2 படித்து கொண்டிருந்தான். பிறகு என் பெரிய பையன் சேர்ந்து திருச்சியில் காலேஜ் படிப்பு கற்று நடத்தினாங்க. அதனால் அவனுக்கு ஆக்சுவலி ஆர்வம் அதிகம் ஏற்பட்டு அவன் தொடர்ந்து அந்த ஆக்சுவலி மிக கவனம் செலுத்தி இந்த அளவுக்கு அவன் முன்னுக்கு வந்தது எனக்கு மிகவும் பெருமை சந்தோஷம். அவனுக்கு நீண்ட ஆயுளை கொடுத்து கடவுள் எல்லா சௌபாகியத்தையும் கொடுத்து ஆரோக்கிய வேண்டும் வேண்டிக் கொள்கிறேன்.
When I saw Jayaraman's exam on the website, I was very much happy and delighted that my brother, younger to me by 18 years, has qualified before me. One of the reasons for his success is attending the classes conducted by Mr. Abhijit Chatterjee, and the concentration with which he has attended the classes was evidenced by the notes taken by him during the classes. I appreciate his decision in switching from subject SA2 to SA6 to SA2, which people normally do not do. I wish him all success in his career and personal life.
Jayaraman, more than my brother-in-law, is my eldest son. All of us in our family is very proud that he has completed this marathon race of becoming actuary among so many hardships in his life. And one thing I could rate Jayaraman out of 10 out of 10 is for his immense patience and witty nature.
I felt happier than when I came to know that he has passed his actuarial exams. It came as a very big relief for us because he just found it very difficult to balance between his work life and his exams. And regarding actuarial course, I came to know through one of my family friends. Came to know that it relates to insurance and it takes constant efforts and perseverance to complete the course. And regarding the occasion of his past failures, he normally is very calm and composed. And when the results came negative, he feels frustrated, but still he continued with his efforts.